We might have changed our name, but our vision for the leather community remains the same, and that is to create a community where you feel like you belong, where you can be inspired by others in your own creativity, where a pathway to improve your skills is illuminated, and where you can have elevated experiences throughout your leathercraft journey.
We understand the challenges and joys of leather crafting, and that's why we are committed to providing you with the resources, support, and inspiration you need to succeed. We offer a range of opportunities for you to learn, grow, and connect with like-minded crafters, from expert-led online courses and an insightful magazine publication to engaging in-person workshops and events.
By joining the Illume community, you get more than just access to exclusive resources. You become part of a supportive network that celebrates your accomplishments and shares your passion for craftsmanship. Whether you're a beginner looking to learn the basics, or an experienced professional seeking to refine your skills, or wanting to become more business-minded, we have a place for you here at Illume.
So why wait? Join us today and begin a journey of discovery, creativity, and camaraderie. Together, we will illuminate your path to excellence in leathercraft. Welcome to the Illume community, where your passion meets our purpose.